morning to children. In previous class we completed simple equations. Two exercises are completed. Now we are going to the third exercise. Third exercise, first problem schema. Write the information given in the picture in the form of an equation. Also find x in the following figure. Schema here one figure is there. Okay. See total length 15 centimeter. Okay. Here x centimeter, here to here 8 centimeter. Okay, this one following the simple equation. Okay, x plus 8 equal to 15 centimeter. From the figure, solution schema. From the figure, x plus 8 centimeters. X plus 8 centimeters equal to 15 centimeters. Total length given 15 centimeters. Okay. Now x equal to 15 plus 8. Left side plus 8 is there. Okay. Transposing LHS to RHS minus 8. 15 minus 8. Now x equal 15 minus 8 7 centimeter. We are asking x value. Okay, find x in the following figure. From the figure, x plus 8 equal 15 centimeter. Now x equal 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means 7. Therefore, x equal to 7 centimeters. This is the first problem. The next second problem schema. Write the information given in the picture in the form of an equation. Also find y. Here variable given y. Y in the following figure. Okay, see here pen figure given y. This part length y centimeter. This part length 8 centimeter. Total pen length 13 centimeter. Okay, see form of an equation. From the figure y plus 8 equal 13 centimeters. From the figure y plus 8 equal to 13 centimeters. From the figure y plus 8 equal form of an equation y plus 8 equal to 13 centimeters. Now y equal plus 8 transposing LHS to RHS minus 8. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 equal to 5 centimeters. Y equal 5 centimeters. Okay. This length 5 centimeters. From the figure y plus 8 equal 13 centimeter, y equal 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 to 5. Therefore y equal to 5 centimeters. This is the second problem. Next third problem. If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. We don't know a number. So let be the number x. Solution. Let the number equal to x. Okay. Add 7 to twice a number. Okay. Twice a number equal twice a number equal 2 into x. Twice means 2. Twice means 2 into x equal to 2x. 7 to add 7 to twice a number. Add 7 to 2x. Add 7 to 2x. Twice a number means 2x. 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. According to the problem, 2x plus 7 equal to 49. We get 49. That's why according to the problem, 2x plus 7 equal to 49. 2x plus 7 equal to 49. Now 2x equal plus 7 transposing LHS to RHS minus 7. 2x equal to 49 minus 7 42. 49 minus 7 42. Now x equal 42. Here left side into transposing LHS to RHS divided by 2. 2 ones to 21. Therefore, x equal to 21. X equal to 21. Therefore, the required number equal 21. 21. The required number equal to 21. Once again, Seema, if we add 7 to twice a number, we get 14 and find the number. We don't know number. That's why let the number x. Twice a number. Twice means into 2. 2 into x. 2x. Add 7 to twice a number. 2x plus 7. According to the problem, 2x plus 7 equal 49. 49. Now 2x equal plus 7 transposing LHS to RHS minus 7. 2x equal 42. X equal 42 by 2 to 21. So therefore the required number equal to 21. Next fourth one, if we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68, find the number. If we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68, find the number. So solution, let the number x. Let the number x. 3 times a number. 3 times a number. 3 times a number equal 3 into x. 3 times a number means 3 into x, 3x. Subtract. If subtract 22 from 3 times a number. Subtract 22 from 3x equal to 3x minus 22. Subtract 22 from 3 times a number means 3x. So 3x minus 22. Now according to the problem, 3x minus 22 equal to 68. 3x minus 22 equal to 68. Now 3x equal 68 plus 22. 68 plus 22. Minus 22 transposing LHS to RHS plus 22. 3x equal 90. 68 plus 22, 90. Now x equal 90 by 3. 90 by 3. 90 by 3 means 30 is equal to 30. Therefore, the required number equal 30. The required number equal to 30. Let be the number x. 3 times a number means 3 into x, 3x. Subtract 22 from 3x. 3x minus 22. Subtract means minus. 3x minus 22. According to the problem, 3x minus 22 equal to 68. 3x equal 68 minus 22 transposing LHS to RHS plus 22. 68 plus 22, 90. Now x equal 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3 means 30. Therefore, the required number equal to 30. Okay, next one. Find a number which when multiplied by 7. Find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Okay, let be the number. Solution, Seema. Let the number x. Let the number x multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7 equal to 7 into x. 7 into x. 7x. Reduced and then reduced by 3. 7x is reduced by 3. Reduced by 3 equal to 7x. Reduced means minus. 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3. According to the problem, 7x minus 3 equal to 53. According to the problem, according to the problem, 7x minus 3 equal to 53. 7x minus 3 equal to 53. Now 7x equal 53 plus 3. Minus 3 transposing LHS to RHS plus 3. 7x equal 53 plus 3. 56. Now x equal 56 by 7. 56 by 7. 7 ones 7 8 equal to 8. Therefore, the required number equal to 8. the required number equal 8. Okay, see ma, let the number x multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7 means 7 into x. 7x. 7x is reduced by 3. Reduced by 3. 7x minus 3. According to the problem, 7x minus 3 equal to 53. 7x minus 3 equal to 53. 7x equal minus 3 transposing LHS to RHS plus 3. 53 plus 3. 56. Now x equal 56 by 7. 7 ones, 7 eights. Therefore, the required number equal to 8. Next to sixth problem. Sum of two numbers is 95. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. Exceeds means plus. Okay. But for example, let be the number x. Second number x plus 3. X plus 3. Find the two numbers. Solution. Let the first number equal to x. The second number equal exceeds by other by 3. Exceeds means x plus 3. X plus 3. The sum of two numbers is the sum of two numbers given 95. The sum of two numbers equal 95. Sum of two numbers means first number plus second number. First number x. First number x. Second number x plus 3. X plus 3 equal to 95. X plus x. How much? 2x. X plus x 2x plus 3 equal to 95. 2x plus 3 equal to 95. 2x equal 95 minus 3 plus 3 transposing LHS to RHS minus 3. 2x equal 92. 2x equal to 92. Now x equal 92 by 2. 92 by 2. 2 4 2 6. X equal to 46. X equal to 46. Therefore, first number equal 46. Second number equal 46 plus 3. X plus 3 means x plus substitute the 46. 46 plus 3 equal to 49. Okay, once again see ma. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. Let the first number equal to x. The second number equal to exceeds by 3 means x plus 3. X plus 3. The sum of two numbers equal to 95. Given that. Okay. Sum of two numbers means first number plus second number. First number x. Second number x plus 3. That's why x plus 3 equal to 95. X plus x 2x. 2x plus 3 equal to 95. Now 2x equal 95 minus 3. Plus 3 transposing LHS to RHS minus 3. 2x equal to 92. X equal 92 by 2. 2 ones 2 46 92. X equal to 46. X means first number. Therefore first number equal to 46. Second number equal 46 plus 3 49. Okay. So seventh problem is sum of three consecutive integers. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. Find the integers. Let three consecutive integers equal to x, comma x plus 1, comma x plus 2. Consecutive means side by side. X plus 1, x plus 2. Sum of three consecutive integers equal to 24. Sum of three consecutive integers 24. Sum of three consecutive integers means first one x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 24. X plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, 3x plus 1 plus 2 3, 3x plus 3 equal to 24. Now 3x equal 24 plus 3 transposing LHS to LHS minus 3. 3x equal 21. 24 minus 3 21. Now x equal 21 by 3. 3 ones 3 sevens. X equal to 7. X plus 1 equal 7 plus 1 8. Next x plus 2 equal 7 plus 2 9. 7 8 9. Therefore 3 consecutive integers equal 7, 8, 9. 3 consecutive integers 7, 8, 9. Okay, understood, ma'am? Okay, today's enough. Thank you.